Imagine yourself investing without the care of ever having to pay taxes on your returns. What you make is what you keep. Seems like a dream, right? Well, the traders in Sikkim are already living this dream. So here's the story. Sikkim, the little state with a population of just over 6 lakh, has now become a hub for commodity market traders. Just over 2 years ago in February, the Sikkim-based traders' market share on the multi-commodity exchange MCX saw a total turnover of over $6 billion out of the total $110 billion. Not only this, the number of traders in Sikkim has increased by 4 times within the past few years. So what could be the reason for such a drastic change that the other states with more traders are now behind Sikkim? Well, the answer is that Sikkim is a sort of tax haven, and many traders found a way to evade tax because of that. You might be wondering why Sikkim is the only state enjoying this privilege. The story dates back to when Sikkim was asked to become a part of India. It all goes back to 1975, when India wanted Sikkim to join the Union as well. At that time, the former kingdom of Sikkim demanded a unique status, both legally and financially. One special clause was that any income of a Sikkimese individual from any source by way of dividend or interest on securities shall not be included in his total income. It meant that Sikkim residents didn't have to pay taxes to the government on investment and trading. But the tax haven status of Sikkim did not come from this alone. The extra advantage was provided by SEBI itself. In response to a 2007 Sikkim High Court decision, SEBI has issued a circular exempting Sikkim residents from the otherwise mandatory PAN requirement. After 2008, Sikkim citizens were exempt from having a PAN card in order to invest in mutual funds and the Indian stock market. They simply needed to give proof of residency to the custodians and exchanges in Mumbai. This provided the perfect breeding ground for people looking to exploit the loophole. They used the names and addresses of residents of Sikkim as a proxy and began trading on these accounts to reduce their tax burden. But soon enough, all this new activity aroused some suspicion, and the Enforcement Directorate got involved and started investigating the brokers and even MCX officials who knew that these people weren't legitimate residents, but they still didn't do anything about it. This fiasco sent shockwaves through the ecosystem, and resultantly, other stock exchanges have been directed to plug in any such loophole. So, as far as the mystery traders of Sikkim are concerned, the party for now is over, and it's time for them to live life like everyone else. Thank you for watching VRDNation.